Sabi ni Kuya John, shh! Paano?
Alam ko sabi,
Ayun, may magnet ba siya? May magnet ba siya?
Oh!
Yes! Yes!
every time nakikita ko kayo, ganyan yung kwentuhan ng friendship nyo. May mag-a-adjust sa...
Ay, talaga kuya.
Sino usually ang hindi nag-a-adjust?
You guys tell me.
Ako.
Ikaw, bakit?
Hindi ko alam. Ako ba?
Huh?
Joke lang.
Ikaw, si Beyat na tinuro.
Siya ba? O, di ba? Kasi lahat kami, guys.
Beauty na lang siya. So, anong pinaka-pinagkaawayan yung tatlo?
Na-brief mo ba si Kuya John?
Ng ano?
Alam mo bang...
Fun fact.
Oh.
Ikaw na.
Hindi, ikaw na sinabi mo.
Sige, ako na.
Dapat dito matutulog.
Bakit? Ha?
Yeah.
Oo.
Nag-away ba kayo ulit?
Buti na lang nag-sorry ako, guys.
So nag-away nga kayo ulit?
Joke lang.
Tinan mo mukha ni Beyat. Kita yun sa camera. Meron kang camera. Meron kang camera, by the way.
Hindi
Medyo.
not
Hindi siya
away.
away.
Hindi siya
Okay.
away. More reflect tampuhan.
Yeah.
Tampo. Sino nagtampo?
Kami.
At feeling ko si
Ako.
Tito Boy ako ngayon.
We were really booked today. Like,
Okay.
okay, calendar, ganyan. And literally, the last time we saw likes was Soph's
2 months
birthday.
ago. 3 months.
May.
May.
Yeah.
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 Na-miss lang naman namin siya. As in, miss na namin siya na
We really look forward to this
wala na kaming magawa about it kundi
Magtampo.
magpaka-OA.
Yeah.
Miss mo din ba kami?
Yeah. Ask Carlo.
Ay, ask ko.
So love niyo talaga isa't isa?
For real. And you know, like, we really wanted to, like, do something for her birthday. We wanted to do, like, something else for her, like, today. Kasi we were like, okay, we're gonna, like, see her, ganyan. So, likes. Surprise!
Di na talaga! Guys, what the heck?
Ayan, naka-frame din. Kasi,
Thanks, guys.
wait, that's not it lang, though.
But
Meron pa
later
yung
na lang,
isang-
guys.
Dahil competitive kami.
Oo.
So, what is it? Oh.
Playing cards.
So, ito gagawin natin today. Look, guys, it's our pictures.
So, ginawa namin siya ng ng
Cute.
playing cards.
And then,
Nice.
yeah.
Cute.
Yay!
Oh, thanks, guys.
Thank you, Kuya John.
welcome.
Yung problema namin since this morning, paano natin ibibigay? Late na tayo. Hindi na natin matatago.
Kasi
Kaya,
ang alam ko talaga this week may darating sa akin. Tapos may nagsabi na lang na agahan ko na lang yung pagpunta ko sa galeriya para iabot sa akin. Inagahan ko nga.
Get it.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Thanks,
The South is
guys.
Southing.
Yes, for real.